Hey YouTube, how's it going? So, I went to get my Jeep inspected and forgot I don't have a third brake light on my Jeep Wrangler. So, I need to fix that. Especially here in Texas, you have to have a third brake light, okay? So, whenever I put the Ace Manufacturing rear bumper and tire carrier on my Jeep Wrangler, you can't have the factory third brake light. You can make a bracket, modify yours so it'll set up above the 35-inch tire like I have, or you can buy what I purchased, and I'll post a link in the description, but it's a SUPAREE, or SUPAREE, I guess SUPAREE. I don't know if they call it a ring of fire or what they call it, but it's basically just a round disc, fits behind your spare tire, and you wire it into your existing brake lights. So whenever I took mine off, I pulled the wiring and everything out also. But this has power to ground. That's all there is to it. I routed mine through here, put a little extra coating on it. I'll double check. I may have to put even more because I don't want it to rub. There's nothing, no sharp edges or anything, but ran it in here through this grommet. And then there's two pieces of plastic, which I didn't have to remove this piece, but I did because I wasn't sure. But there's this piece right here you'll have to remove. Basically, it's got two pins, top and bottom, and then just pull it out this way. Okay, your factory brakes third brake light will be plugged in to this right here, and this is for, as far as I know, all JK models. Mine's a 2014, but I think all the way up to the 2018s are all the same. But basically, I routed that red and black wire from the ring of fire third brake light over here. Then I just clipped the wires off of the old plug, which they're not connected to anything. I just left it there in case, for whatever reason, I wanted to reinstall the third brake light, which more than likely we all know never happened. So red goes to white, black goes to black. Crimp it in, solder it, tape it up, shrink wrap it, however you want to do it. Mount it back in there. You're done. Put all your pieces back together. Like I said, just slide that in there. And then put your tire back on.